Hello everyone, my name is Ryan Thompson. I'm an assistant medical director in the MGPO, and I'm here today with Tim Ferris, who as you know is a senior vice president for population health for the hospital and the MGPO. And we're here to talk today for a few minutes about the McGovern Award, the Brian McGovern Award. We're actively seeking applications for this award and wanted to get some insights on this from Tim. So just a couple questions, Tim. Could you first tell us, you knew Brian McGovern, I didn't. He was a very renowned and esteemed physician here. Just a bit of background on Dr. McGovern and who he was and kind of why this award was named after him.
Well, so Brian McGovern was a tremendous Mass General physician. I remember my first interaction with him were as a resident, getting a consultation from him. And it was sort of startling the extent to which he would go out of his way to both deliver outstanding care to his patients. He was always sort of present very quickly after he was called. And then making sure that he was teaching the residents about the specific issues related to their patient. And all the while presenting it with such a clear dedication to delivering great care to his patients. And so that spirit and actually behaviors that he was such a clear exemplar in became a natural basis for the creation of the McGovern Award.
Okay. And can you tell us a bit about the award, its background, kind of winners, some of the history of the award, and what we're trying to achieve in recognizing physicians with this award?
So the award was created soon after Brian's tragic death at Mass General, and really it was created to carry forward and promote the spirit that I just described that Brian had for the way he delivered care. And so it's about recognizing the clinical care, and this is about clinical care. There are a lot of ways for physicians to distinguish themselves at Mass General, but this one is about the delivery of clinical care, and it's really about going above and beyond for your patients. That's the core of this award. Some examples are when you go out of your way to visit your patient when they're in the hospital, even if you're not the attending. When you go to the ED to help resolve a conundrum with one of your patients in the ED. When you go on home visits. Really, it's the kind of behavior where there's doing what's required, and then there's going above and beyond what's required when you know going above and beyond is going to help the patient with whatever it is you're tasked to help them with. That's, I think, the spirit of the McGovern Award.
Okay. Any just kind of last information about maybe past winners, how many winners per year, how do you nominate somebody, what the deadline is, and so forth?
So I think of this as very prestigious. There have been 26 winners, and you look at that list, and it's pretty obvious that these are people who have all demonstrated that exemplary quality of going above and beyond for their patients. I think it would be great to have a lot of nominations, and the nomination process is very simple. You just go to the website. Anyone can submit a nomination. It doesn't necessarily have to be a physician. And I would really encourage people to think of this broadly, not just in their traditional departments and divisions where you're delivering direct patient care. It is certainly possible to go above and beyond for your patients, even if you're not delivering direct patient care. So all physicians are eligible for this.
Okay, thank you very much. We hope that you'll consider nominating somebody.